Hi, I'm Santina with WTI.
If you are looking for a great pair of wireless earbuds, you've got to check out these Anker Liberty Air 2s. So what I love about these is they have a great sound. When I'm listening to music, I can hear the different instruments, all the different levels of music. I really like the sound quality. They also block out a lot of noise, so I can really get into the music and not have to worry about what's going on around me. I also love that these have a good battery life, and when they do run out of battery, the case itself will charge them for you, which is really cool. When your case needs some extra power, you can plug it into a USB-C. I love that that's a common cord, easy to find. So overall, these are just really great earbuds. I hope you're gonna love them too.
And that's my point of view.